Viva market update. We're gonna do a very quick market update on BTC. Last week, couple of days, I think it was last week. I mentioned that BTC was forming a bear flag. So let's kind of just take a quick look. At least that played out. Let's see, we actually looking at daily time frame. I have this line, you guys are see here. That's I just drew a trend line over here. So let me just kind of do this and see how far we are. So right now if we can actually drop it down over here. So that way we know, because last week BTC actually had a breakout. They did a breakout here over here, which is right now is consolidating. So we can let me just take a look at a 4-hour time frame to see what we are. Exactly. So we had this small breakout. It's really small. We can actually measure to see how much that was. Starting from here to it came over. Yeah, 7%. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. So we had this small pump. So right over here, we can actually BTC kind of saying what we are. We might come back down here to retest it, but at the same time, in a long scale, so if we take a look again, let me just show you guys here. We still seeing the bear flag. It didn't play it out the way I was seeing it. So, but we're not out of the woods yet. So we still pretty much in the woods. So, in a daily time frame, we actually consolidating. We are consolidating right now. I wouldn't say that they haven't exhausted the overbought or even oversold yet. So we are consolidating a daily time frame and a 4-hour time frame. We actually below the AM line. So we could see another drop. Guys. I don't know how far we could drop, but the way it is and the way it looks, we might see a drop down. Right over it. Let me just actually get a line here so you guys can actually see it. Right over here. Let me actually get this bigger. We could probably get what I'm seeing is probably we might get a retest right here and then come back and reach the 17 if we don't get any bad news this week. So right here, this one thing I wanted to mention, the RSI. If you look at right over here, let me see if I can circle right over here, the RSI. RSI is actually overbought, so which is pretty good. Sometimes they might play it out if you had an engulfing candle right after the oversold signal. And that could signal that we might pump it a little, 10, 20. Yeah, I wouldn't say 20%, but probably 10%, because right here we got remember I said we would get a small pump. We did. We got a 7% pump. So right over here we had a overbought RSI, but I don't see any positive formation here. And the news is not helping as well. So um right now the only thing I can tell is that the daily time frame we consolidating. On a 4 hour time frame, we will probably, I think is it will happen, is that we're gonna come and retest the 16,000 again, the 16.7. So if it doesn't hold that, so we're going back to the 15, guys. We're going back to the 15, and uh well, Christmas will won't be so shine for us the crypto traders. All right, so but as I always told you guys, there's always an opportunity. If you would have short right over here when it hit the 17,000, you would short right here. So you're in a good look. You probably will do this so far, like 3%. It's not bad. If he comes and retests the 16,000, um, we would put you at 3.85. It's not bad, not bad. So don't get discouraged. So yeah, 16, 16 looks like the next stop. Come Probably will just come back and retest that. So the bear market, I mean the bear flag, it hasn't played out. It hasn't played out. Um, we, I wouldn't say we out the woods, as I told you guys before. So if we go back to the daily time frame, so we consolidating. We might get another breakout to 1716, 17,617. We might get that because uh the way is if I'll just put a line here so you guys can actually see what I'm seeing. Is we might be forming in a daily time frame, we might be forming a bull flag, a small bull flag here. So we might get that. I don't know why the line is not coming out. So let's see if I can use the trend line. Get here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. But all right, so but right over here, if you guys can see it, right here in the daily time frame, we are forming a small bull flag that will, it might, and you can tell the formation of the trade of the candles. They're actually being exhausted right now, the bears. So we might get a small pump. We might get a small pump on a daily time frame. On a 4 hour time frame, I'm seeing a retest into 16,700. So that's might be if we go to the weekly time frame. Let's see what we are because the weekly time frame, my friends. It wasn't looking too good yet. If right over here we had this huge engulfing red candle that closed the weekly. So that's not good. That's definitely not good. It was almost overbought stay, but not quite. If we open up, you see that you really touched that. So I on a weekly time frame, there's nothing bullish showing here that BTC will have another pump, another huge pump, probably 10-20%. So, but at the same time, you know, we we aren't getting small pumps on the lower time frames. So let's see on a monthly time frame. So let's see, guys. Yeah, we had this the previous month. We had this huge engulfing red candle, but look at that. We got 19 days away, so that could change even within a week or in a day. That could definitely change, either going up or either going down. But just looking at it, without doing much, Yeah, we might get a couple a couple legs down, guys. It's not looking to get in a month time frame. We still below the AM 50 that I like to use. It hasn't got me bad. It's one of my indicators I use that it haven't let me down yet. So we are below that. And yeah, and the whole economy is not helping. The news, everything's not helping, guys. So that's just a quick market update on the BTC price. What we actually looking forward this week. So right now, guys, uh, we don't have too much of excitement within the market. So we'll see what happens. We'll see for the what day today's the 12th. Uh, most of us are looking forward that's going to play it out, that the XRP case will be closed on the 15th. So that will detect a lot what's happening on for the future of the crypto market as well. So if it's positive, if they just set it down, so that will be great, guys. That would be great, because even if they that would be somehow a positive news, because if they set it down, which means that every crypto they consider as a security, they might just close a deal with the Security Exchange Commission and get on with it, and let's get the crypto to the solid place. All right, okay, so that was just a quick market update. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment, guys. Let's move it. Let's move.